So, guys, let's be realistic. Have you ever tried or found yourself in a situation whereby you have tried everything you can? Like you've posted consistently, you've watched, hours of advice or videos from top content creators. Sometimes you've even begged people to sub and, watch your videos. You have researched for all the trending hashtags and you have tried to copy what the so-called big content creators do. But at the end, what happens? Your videos still stuck at maybe 32 views, and your subscribers is still remains the same. And sometimes your energy is beginning to fade faster than your watch time. Guys, I can imagine. Now, what if I tell you guys that there is a brand new method that is quietly turning complete nobodies into monetized creators? Like, this happens without you having all the fancy cameras, having the knowledge of, dancing good or having all these viral dances or, sometimes begging people to like your videos or watch your videos. You understand? And even crazier, it's already this method is already in your what is it called on your channel. The only problem is that you've not yet turned it on. Now, before we go further, I want to be realistic and upfront in this, all right? Now, this is not the usual generic, okay? It's not the usual generic of me telling you to post more shorts or, giving you more advices or telling you how to optimize your videos and thumbnails and checklists. No, that is not it. This method is surgical, like it is mind blowing, and it works behind the skin. Okay, it's been used by small creators. Yes, I've seen a friend of mine that use it, and suddenly he woke up to 5,000, 10,000. Even that one of the last videos she posted got over almost 200,000 views. And I wonder, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys the real examples and I'm going to break it down step by step. But first of all, you need to understand why your channel is not growing. Okay, it's not what you think, right? Now, most creators think that if they just upload more, improve their editing, or follow trends, they will eventually break through the internet. No, the truth is, YouTube doesn't care about your content. Yes, it cares about signals. Signals like what your audience does after watching your videos. Do they watch to the end? Do they like the video? Do they comment? Do they share? What topic clusters you are building? How predictable your channel looks to the algorithm? Now, in other words, if you are uploading all kinds of random content, vlog today, maybe tomorrow tutorial, next tomorrow commentary, and the next tomorrow you are posting another thing, you are confusing the system. You are confusing the algorithm itself, right? Now, YouTube doesn't know who to show your videos or channels to because of all this inconsistency. So it doesn't show you to anyone at all. Now, here is what the new method or where it all comes in, right? There is a switch you can flip into your content strategy that sends YouTube a clear signals like, okay, hey, YouTube, this channel is valuable for this specific viewer. Please kindly say no, those type of thing, right? So once you turn it on, YouTube is going to recognize your video immediately. And when YouTube gets that signal, you will start getting the views. Your channel will start blowing up quietly at first. And at the long run, the views will start coming in without you even begging anybody. So this is the secret method. Now, I call it predictive content mapping. Now, this predictive content mapping is a system that locks your channel into a specific viewer's interest. It stacks momentum with low resistant content. And also it uses a feedback loop to train the algorithm to trust you. And once the system recognizes your channel as predictable value to a certain segment, boom, guys, you will start that your channel will skyrocket from having that 32 views to 3,000, 4, 5, 10, hundreds of views and above. So I'm going to give you a real example now. There is this creator that I always follow. Her name is Maya. You understand? Now, this creator of mine, she had a lifestyle channel that was stocked at 78 subscribers. Like, she tried everything. She tried skincare routine, productive hacks, books reviews. But at the end of it all, nothing happened. Nothing worked out. Then, at a point, she switched to predictive mapping. Now, she made 5 videos in a row for one micro audience. Yes, college girls struggling with burnout. That was the content she pushed out then. Now, she used the same tone, same pain points, same structures. By the third video, YouTube caught the pattern. And by the fifth, one of the videos crossed 25,000 views and she hit that 1,000 subscribers under 1 week of switching over again. And at the long run, she got monetized under 1 month. All of this is centered on turning on a method that looks invisible, but it works magic. It works like a magnet. Now, why does this thing works? Even if you are not a pro. Now, this works because it bypasses the luck factor, and you are not hoping for virality. Yes, you are creating magnet videos, content that YouTube knows exactly who to give it to. And the best time, you don't even need fancy gears, a huge audience, or perfect editing. You just need to map your next 10 videos using this method. Make sure to target one micro problem, solve someone's problem, and let YouTube build trust with you. But this is the thing. This is one of the reasons why you haven't heard of this before. And I'm sure that most big content creators are not even talking about it, because most of these big content creators don't talk about what they are really doing. They will not show you the way. They will not show you what they are doing behind bars that give them those millions of views. They will only give you surface tips. They will tell you that they post consistently or they use better thumbnails and all of that. But guys, it is all lies. Go in private. They are using systems. They are using strategies. They are using predictable, patterns. Now, this is your chance in order for you to tap into one of them before it gets mainstream. So if you are stuck, if you're tired of trying everything, if you are just one click away from quitting, guys, I'm telling you, don't give up yet, right? Because this tiny change might be the thing that flips your channel from invisible to undeniable. And in just a few moments, I'm going to show you exactly how to map your next videos using this method. Now, first of all, let's bust one more myth, okay? Now, before you scroll or wipe away, please hear this out. You don't need a million views in order for you to blow up. No. You need a system that makes 1,000 people care deeply about what you post. Exactly. And that's the magic of predictive content mapping. It doesn't just help you grow, it helps you grow with purpose. If you're serious about turning this method on, here is what you do next, okay? Now, step 1 is what? Make sure you go down to the comment section and type map me. Now, if you want the full breakdown template, yes. And step 2, make sure to hit the like button so that YouTube will know that this video matters a lot. And step 3, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping the part 3 strategy video series on this starting about this video tomorrow. You understand? Now, this is the truth. Your channel isn't failing. No, you are not failing. It's just waiting for the right signal. And you're about to send it if you believe in this video. Now, guys, let us blow these things up quietly, powerfully, and intentionally. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to post that one secret that you have to turn on in your channel in order to blow up. I really don't want to make this video to get long, okay? So make sure that you come back tomorrow to watch this out. Thank you very much for always sticking around. See you guys next time.